Tired of your sluggish phone? Craving a bigger screen for entertainment and productivity? Meet the UMIDIGI G1 Tablet, the budget-friendly Android tablet that packs a powerful punch. With its sleek design, blazing fast processor, and a massive battery, this tablet is ready to elevate your entertainment and simplify your life. Dive in and discover why the G1 Tab is poised to become your new favorite companion. UMIDIGI G1 Tablet. Brand name: UMIDIGI. Model name: UMIDIGI G1 Tab. Memory storage capacity: 64 GB. Screen size: 10.1 inches. Display resolution: 1280 by 800 pixels. Card description: integrated. Wireless type: 802.11 grams. Operating system: Android 13. Item weight: 2.22 pounds. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 9.64 x 6.39 x 0.37 inches. Color: gray. Processor brand: MediaTek. Computer memory type: DDR3, SDRAM. About this item: Android 13 system. UMIDIGI G1 Tab tablet with Android 13 that can launch apps quickly and make your apps run smoother. The Android tablet is equipped with the most stable quad-core processor, with a maximum frequency of 2.0 GHz, which improves program running speed and web browsing mobility for a faster user experience. High-performance tablets. UMIDIGI G1 Tablet supports Wi-Fi 6 that improve the speed and stability of network connections. The tablet has dual speaker, split screen function, Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio, meeting the needs of online learning and video calls. More functions make you enjoy on-the-go fun and productivity. 8 GB, 4+4 expand, RAM, plus 64 GB ROM. Tablet 10.1 inch. Tab has 8 GB RAM. You can add 4 GB of virtual memory in the settings to achieve 8 GB of running memory. With 64 GB ROM and 1 TB expansion, ample storage space allows you to store more photos, videos, and music. Long battery life. Gaming tablet with a 6000 mAh ultra-large battery. Up to 6 to 8 hours of reading, browsing the web, watching the video, and listening to music. It's ready for daily life as well as travel. It is a good companion for your entertainment and the best gift for all kinds of festivals and birthdays. 1-year warranty. Don't worry, UMIDIGI offer 1-year warranty. Contact me if you have any questions about G1 Tab tablet. We will give you on-time tech support and the better customer service. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.